BTCUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Bitcoin against dollar. Before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can join the free Telegram channel to get some free signals every now and then. So go and join Telegram for free. Check out the brokers and the prop firm here. Sign up with them, start trading. So check out these things in the end and subscribe and like, and let's get back to the chart. So starting with the top down approach with weekly chart. Weekly we have, let's see. Yes, we have broken the previous high. This high is broken in the weekly. This is a doji candle for Sunday today. Okay, this is going to turn down. So from Monday onwards, this will come down. Okay, that's what I think. I think next coming week, starting from tomorrow, will be going down. Why do I think that? Because let's get back to daily. Okay, in daily, what do we have? We were in the uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. All of a sudden, we have a huge red candle which has eaten this blue candle. Okay, so we have started a new downtrend. That new downtrend might continue until this EMA, until 98152. Okay, we might have a medium term reversal until the EMA, then the rejection, and then continuation of the uptrend. Only the time will tell. Okay, but right now we are down, looking for shorts. Let's get back to 4 hour. When should you enter? So we are actually on the break of the EMA. Okay, so this was the downtrend which started, pull back again, a new low. So here you have to keep an eye. So if this is a 4 hour timing, okay, 4 hour chart. So where I'm recording the video, this candle will close in 53 minutes. Okay, so if this candle closes below this EMA, then when should you enter short? You should enter short after the pullback. Okay, so again, you see, draw your fib levels from here till here. Then wait for the pullback. After the pullback, if you get a red confirmation candle, that's where you enter sell. Okay, so look for sell. That's what I will say. If you are the intraday trader, if you trade the same day exit out, then look for shorts, because the sell trend, medium term sell, has started with this candle. Okay, so look for shorts in short time intervals. And if you like what you see, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Join my Telegram. It's all free. Check out everything, brokers and everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.